Hey guys, um, we're just live really quickly in a. We'll just do a quick update. We're here in the Babbage office and we are checking out this app called MetaMarket. Braden and Jackie are here and everybody's whispering because we're trying to. I don't know. I'm being a little bit spontaneous, honestly, to try to go live. I think it does work.
My image is there. So.
But yeah, let's oh, it says device now. Oh, here we go. Let's try to put this up, and then we can do this. So MetaMarket is an app that Jackie just finished working on, and basically it's a marketplace for 3D objects. So how it works is people can go and like upload files, create like a it's STL files, right? So like STL files are when you have a 3D printer or something, you can upload to this marketplace your designs for like things that you made, and then you can go to the store and you can buy them. So you can check it out at metamarket.bapp.dev, and that'd be kind of cool. If anybody wants to, let's see, I can purchase, for example, this STL, which you just uploaded, and so it's going to create an action, and it's going to go to the MetaMarket server, and then I can click this download button, and there it is. So I was able to successfully purchase, and the person who receives, the person who uploaded this file will receive some satoshis. That's how it works. So I don't know. I can put Jackie on the spot. So Jackie, come into frame if you'd like. Jackie is one of the newer engineers on the team, and this is one of his first apps that he's built with the new stack. The whole stack is hot off the press, and so is this app. He's working a long time to get it where it needs to be, and bearing with us and helping debug a bunch of things. So it's been a long time, but now it's live. So
yeah, very exciting.
If you want to, let's see, I could send you the link maybe, so that you could put your screen up, and you could show. Sure. I don't know if we could make that work or not. But the ability to like redeem, right? Because like basically uploading and redeeming. Because I just showed the buy process, right? Like you go to the store, and as a user, you can see these objects that people have listed for sale, and then you can purchase them. But then there's the upload side and the redeem side. Let me grab this, and once again, I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but I think I can grab this link and send it. So I'm just gonna put the. Just gonna go to Slack. Of course, we always have to be careful when we're doing these things, but it'll be all right, I think. And so I would just, if you want to, like select just your browser tab, then we can put that up alongside the video feed. But in effect,
join without mic and cam because we're so close.
Yeah. There's no reason to join with mic and cam. Otherwise, it would, and you want to mute your computer. But temporarily, I'll put this one back up. Looks like. Just pick the browser tab specifically for MetaMarket.
Just share screen. that, and then you can select, set system preferences.
And I'll pull this guy down, right? Oh, you got to do a permission. Okay. So how this works under the hood is it uses UHRP, and it looks like they're just working to get the screen up, but yeah, we basically the code I think is github.com peer-to-peer MetaMarket, and we go to settings. Then we can make this repository public. So let's just do that. And there it is. Right.
Sharing now?
Let's see. So I can just put this down. And then I can see that there's another feed from this one. And now, Jackie, your screen is up. So this is MetaMarket, and so essentially, yeah, we can show kind of what it looks like to do the upload and the download. This isn't gonna be perfect, but we'll see what we can do.
So yeah, this is the MetaMarket front page.
I don't know if it's. Is your computer tethered currently? It is. Okay, that's fine.
Oh yeah, it is. I can untether it though.
I'm just thinking in terms of audio, right? Because I don't know how well that's gonna pick up. We are figuring this stuff out live on the air, everybody, but that's fine. That's how it goes. And there is. Thank you for putting that up, Mike. People can check out the code on GitHub. I've just made it public. And yeah, so we're looking at the MetaMarket front page. I think the home page we could make the store page, right?
Probably, yeah. But if you navigate to the store page, you can see 2 files that have been uploaded. This is the one that I have uploaded. And this is one that Braden over here has uploaded.
Yeah. Which the image didn't get there for some
Yeah, there's a
reason.
preview. Like sometimes, sometimes the preview doesn't show up. We're figuring out all the details.
Mm-hmm.
But this code is fully open source. We just published the code on GitHub, so everybody can check it out.
I was typing so fast.
So yeah, this is a listing, right? We showed this. If you maybe I can buy a file and then you can go to your profile and show the balance and getting your So let me put my one.
Bought one, right? So
I did.
you probably
Actually, I
have a
remember
balance.
that. Yeah, we just did that. So if you go to your profile, maybe it shows. Okay.
500 Satoshis here.
Right.
Of
course, the Metanet client, we were only sharing this one tab, so the Metanet client will pop up over it. The stream won't be able to see it. But, you can try it out yourself, right? Like you can see it's going to bring the balance into the Metanet client.
Mm-hmm. So if I withdraw Satoshis, this goes back down to 0, but my Metanet client does get properly updated.
Yep.
28.
Yep.
Yeah. And another really nifty feature, if for some reason you want to take down a file, for instance, if you misspelled snowboard, you can just easily press remove file, and it removes everywhere.
So now it's not on the overlay anymore.
Yep.
Cool.
So you can publish and then, or you can make your file available for people. You can get rid of it. Yeah, it's a cool app. It's a compelling demo of a lot of the things, right? We're using obviously encryption under the hood so that you're not, so that you only get access to the file after you pay. And then UHRP for storage. And then the wallet to make the transactions and pay for things, and overlay to track it. It's a pretty good, obviously micropayment, so it ties together a lot of these things. I mean, you could conceivably add an identity certificate that says something like, right, the person who uploaded this file is qualified as an electrician to know what particular dimensions need to be on a particular thing or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Some kind of certificate exchange could be done as well. But like this is a pretty cohesive demo, and we're very excited that that we just got it online. So that's why I don't know, our CEO decided to spontaneously start a live stream in the middle of the office, despite everybody. But yeah, so you know, you can go and upload. If you want to select one, just be mindful of your like files that you're showing, I guess. But I think the modal won't show up actually, so that's okay.
I'm re-uploading as well, but I just misspelled snowboard, so I removed it.
This is
Alright, yeah, the image.
and you can set however many satoshis you want to charge.
Right.
Let's just say 700. Set a preview image. If you go into on advanced configs, you can set the expiration date of the UHRP upload. And it takes a little bit, but
yeah, it's got to do all the, you know, creation of the token on the overlay. It's got to upload the file to the UHRP storage. It's got to register the hash of the file onto the blockchain and advertise the hosting commitment. It's got to give the file to the key server and make sure that the key server can decrypt it. And the key server stores the record in the database so that the store page can, so that it can be accessed via via that key server. And all of that happens while the file is being uploaded. And so, you know, if you guys want to make some money by allowing the world to purchase your STL 3D model files in the 3D printing world, well, you know, might be a cool thing. I don't know what's going on with the preview images, but
yeah,
I think it still works even without them, right?
yeah, it does. Yep.
So, I mean, we're figuring out some things all the time. The storage server code is there, but yeah, if I refresh this, I can see there's 3, and I don't see any of the preview. I wonder if it's a particular file type, like maybe PNGs work.
Well,
But
you were just using that one earlier, right, Jeffy?
No,
it was a
that
different
specific
preview
one,
image.
Yeah.
Like JPG versus PNG versus, like, maybe the MIME types are somehow.
We're still working out some kinks.
Yeah,
Yep.
of course. But what I'll do is maybe I'll go buy. I will buy this this knife, and so I'm just looking at my Metanet client here, and I've just done the purchase, and I'm waiting for the file. Looks like I can download it now, so I'm just going to click the download button, and there it is. Now I have another STL, and if I go and open it up, I don't know if I can open these. What happens if I do?
You click
It's going to open it up in Xcode. Clearly, Xcode is the best application for this. Right, no, I drop it into like Cura for slicing and making for my printer. But yeah, it's a cool thing. I think we'll kind of keep this one short and talk about, you know, just kind of, we'll talk about these apps as they come out. You know, if you want to be present in the moment to ask random questions in the chat when Babbage does spontaneous live streams when random apps come online, which might happen, by the way, a couple more times in the next few days. We'll see if there's other apps that come online. You know, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, be on Twitter Spaces, follow us on X, you know, and if you're going to be in Austin, you could win $55,000. Just a reminder, on April 5th and 6th. Yeah, you could win actually $55,000 in total prizes. So we got 30K first place, and we got some other ones too. Lots of we figured out we could do these sound effects. It's kind of interesting. So yep, new code, new app, just another use case for the Metanet and for BSV blockchain technology. And so thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.